everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jadine for those who are new. Thank you for clicking on this video. In today's video we created this yellow pop of color summer inspired makeup look, which I'm really excited about because I love yellow on the eyes. If you'd like to see how I created this look, please keep on watching. But before you go, please click the subscribe button down below and also the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. So without further ado, let's keep on watching. Okay guys, as you can see, I've done my eyebrows and my face makeup off camera. We'll just be focusing on the eyes in today's video because that's the main attraction for today. So as usual, first things first, we're going to prime our eyes using our trusty Makeup Revolution Prime and Lock eyeshadow primer. Okay, now that our primer is all set, we're going to start with our transition shade. The palette that we are using for today's look is none other than the James Charles X Morphe palette. So we'll be starting with a light brown shade in the crease area for a transition shade. So for now, we are just packing that shade onto the crease, and then later on we'll be buffing that out. Now I'm going to take a clean blending brush and then just buff out that edge. So now that our transition shade is all blended out, I'm going to go in with a deeper, darker brown shade, and then I'll be cutting somewhat of a crease just below that. I'm going to be using the Precision Crease brush by Luxie. I'm just going to outline the shape of the crease, and then after that I'll be blending it out. Now I'll be going in with some concealer to cut the crease, and the concealer that I'm using is the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 16. So I put a dollop of the concealer on the back of my hand. So now I'll be using this flat tip concealer brush to carve out my crease. Now I'll be using my damp beauty blender to smooth out the concealer. Now I'm going to go in with the yellow shade in this palette, and I'll be packing that onto my lid. Now to make sure that the edges of this cut crease is perfectly filled in, I'll be using the Switch Beauty fine tip brush to fill that in. Now I'll just do the same thing on the other side. Now that most of the eyeshadow is in place, I'll be going in with my eyeliner, and this is the Hank & Henry liquid eyeliner in Brickety Black for our dramatic wing today. so I decided to finish the one wing off camera and I added some lashes as well. Now to finish off the eyes, I'm going to clean up my wing liner with some concealer and then add some colour to the bottom lash line. Now I'll be taking that same precision crease brush and using the dark brown shadow in my waterline. Now with the mini round brush, I'll take the same yellow shade and buff that out. Now to finish off the eye, I'm going to add some gold from the James Charles palette in the inner corner and the brow bone. Now that's how you do an inner corner highlight. Now to finish up the face, I'm going to be adding some highlighter, and the highlighter I'm using is from the James Charles palette. The shade is called Face. Last but not least, to finish off the look, we'll be doing the lip, and the lip combo that I'll be going with today is the LA Girl Perfect Precision Lip Liner in the colour Blushing and the Catrice Ultimate Colour Lipstick in the colour 10. Well, that is the look all complete, guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I'll check back with you with the final product.